everybody, welcome to Shinbaga's channel. My real name is Shinbaga Magdalene, and I'm from Baldy, but I'm basically living in London because I travel to London. All about myself. I love animals and birds like peacocks and flamingos and ostrich and stuff like those. They're birds, and other animals like lion, tigers, and stuff like those as well. Elephants, the main ones. And I love to go to the jungle and explore more from the animals. That's my favorite wish I'm going to do. Or be a zookeeper. But definitely I would like to be peacock for them. I love peacocks. Bye-bye and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more facts and stuff like that, type it in and I'll just do it. So bye and subscribe.